I'm Erin, a 20-year divorce attorney and co-founder of Hello Divorce. Let's talk about how to answer legal questions during your divorce without spending thousands on a lawyer. So, you have a question about dividing property or debt. And before you panic or Google it, stop. Google and ChatGPT often give very generic, incomplete, or maybe even inaccurate answers. Legal advice is nuanced and it matters where you live. So here's a better approach. Number one, check for a prenup or a postnup. If you have one, it might already outline how assets and debts should be divided. If not, move to the next step. 2, know your state's property laws. Is your state a community property state or an equitable distribution state? This determines how assets and debts are divided. Community property states split marital assets 50-50, while equitable distribution states aim for what's fair, which isn't always perfectly equal. Number 3, identify when the asset or debt was acquired. Was it acquired or paid down during your marriage? If so, it's likely considered marital property, fully or partially. If it wasn't, it might remain separate property. So number 4, look for exceptions or special laws. Some property like inheritance or gifts may be exempt even if they were acquired during the marriage. It depends on your state. So pro tip, now you can use AI to refine your question, like, I'm in California, getting divorced, and paid for the down payment on my home with an inheritance. Are there laws specific to the situation? But don't stop there. Once you get your answer, ask for a source. Verify it by finding the law itself or reading a reliable guide. Laws can be confusing though, even for lawyers, so don't stress if you need extra help. And lastly, remember that you and your spouse can negotiate terms that feel fair to both of you, even if they don't perfectly match the law. The law is just a guideline to help set expectations. I hope this helps. Stick around for part 2, where I'll share how to handle more complex issues without breaking the bank.